The difference between dreaming and achieving is taking action. So, one should never stop taking actions. So today, in this video, we'll learn three methods of reading an image in our NodeRED dashboard. So, the first method I have used is using the read file node. Here, you need to just paste the path of your image, whether it's type like PNG or JPG, and set this output to a single buffer object. By default, it will be here, but you need to select this one. Then you need to change the output type to base64. And this will be shown in our template node. And the template node, you just need to write image source is equal to message.payload. And you can see that the Ronaldo path is here and my image is shown. So the second method is using the XAMPP. So XAMPP is a free software which runs the Apache server, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, and Torment. We learned how to use Apache and MySQL server using the XAMPP. And if you want, I'll drop the link to download this software, which is free. So you need to first turn on this server from here, start and stop. You can see it is stopped and it is started. Now you need to paste you need to go to your C drive, XAMPP location, and htdocs. This is the folder. Here, you need to create a image folder, or you can directly put your image outside also. But I have created an image folder and I have pasted the images. So you can see sky.png is here. So once you have done all this, then you can open your image in the browser. If you write this thing, or HTTP only will also work. So you are browsing from the local server 127.0.0.1, that is the host IP, followed by the folder name and image name. So you see the image on the browser. Same link you when you paste it here, then you can just enable this and you will see this image on the dashboard. Here we don't need an inject node because we are putting direct link in the template node. So you see another image. Now let's learn the third type where we are using the static folder of the node. So you need to go to C drive, users, and NodeRED location. This is here. And you need to open the settings.json. When you open this, you will see this HTTP static, which is by default commented out, but you need to write here this, that is double underscore. It is double underscore. Don't make this mistake. I have made it already once. So it is double underscore, then dir name plus static in this format. So this is the folder name. Whatever you write here, you need to make this folder in the NodeRED path. So let's see. Inside the NodeRED, you can see the static folder. Inside whatever image you write, you can access this on your browser directly. So here we use the port of NodeRED. You know the port number of the NodeRED is 1880. So you write 127.0.0.1 followed by port number and slash the image name. So you see it here. And the same link if you paste here inside the template node. So let's say enable this. So you can see the third image. So these are the three types where you can read the images in the dashboard. The last one is most useful because you may not get sometimes the exam software in when you are in competition or you forget the you forget this flow, how to read image. So this works. Just you need to make setting in the NodeRED file, and you can directly put the link of the image in the template. So I hope that you learned something new in this video, and thanks for watching.